You're welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to separate your place from the value of numbers. Some of our friends have been finding it difficult to actually differentiate these two from each other. Some mistake the value for the place and some mistake the place for the value. So I'm going to show you some helpful tips on how to identify the place and the value of numbers using some simple examples. Now on the board we are asked to show the number of what? This value on the board, these numbers written in a place and value charts. So I'm going to show you how to do this. But before we go ahead, we're going to first of all separate the numbers with a comma. Now let's get right into it. Now how do we separate the numbers with comma? You're going to count 3 digits for each 1, 2, 3 count. Then you put what? A comma. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Put a comma. 1, 2, 3. Put a comma. 1, 2, 3. Put a comma. So now we can now impute this in the chart. Now before we go ahead, we can now label those boxes with what? Hundreds, tens, and units. Identifying which will help us identify the place of numbers as well as their values. Now I'm going to write 100, tens, and units. 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 So now I'm going to impute these numbers in the boxes. So we have 2, 3, 8, 4, 6, 1, 1, 7, 1, 1, 9, 5, and then 1, 1. Now we can see that under the sets are the values for the hundreds place. Here we have the values for the thousands place. Here we have the values for the millions place. And here the values for the what? Billions place. And lastly, the values for the trillions place. So now we're going to start what? Expanding these numbers. Now the digit 1, the value of 1 here is, now I'm going to bring out the number which is 1, right, which is 1, and then the other numbers become 0. Now how many digits do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now the remaining digit here becomes what? 0. So I'm going to count 13 zeros right here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? So now, this simply means that this is 10 trillions. If we separate this digit now with commas, you will see what I'm talking about. Now let's separate them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that means the value of 1 is what? 10 trillions. Now, the value of 1 again is, which is this second one. Now I'm going to skip this 1 here and move to the 0 under. We're going to write our 1 under the 0 after 1, which is the first one. Then the rest becomes 0. So I'm going to have 12 zeros now instead of 13. So now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we separate with comma as well. And this is 1 trillions. Okay? The value of 1 here is what? 1 trillion. Now moving on to the billions part. The value of 5 is, now I'm going to skip this place here and move to the next digits. Write our 5 under it, and then the rest becomes 0. How many zeros do we have, or digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now the first one had what? 13 zeros. Second is 12. Now is 11. So the more we go further down, the more we descend, the more the numbers of digits you are adding zeros reduces. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now this is 500 billions. Okay, the first one was what? 10,000 trillion. Second one was what? 1 trillion. Next is what? 500 billion. You can see the place of 5 here is in the 100th place, right? And that's why it is called 500 billions. And this is the value of 500 billions. Now let's continue. The value of 9 is 9, then the rest becomes, that will be 90. 9 tenths is what? 90. 90 billions. So we have 90 billion. Good. Now moving on to the next number. The value of 1 is, so we'll start the ones from here. That will be 1 billion. Good. Now the next is what? We're moving to the millions place. The value of 1 in the million place is 100 million. So we'll start from here. 100 million. You can see how easy it is to expand your numbers using the place and value system. If you're just joining in the video for today, please remember to like the video, leave a comment in the comment section. Do not forget to share, and lastly, subscribe. Let's continue. The value of 7 is 7/10 millions, which is 70 million. Okay, now the next is the value of 1 is 1 million. You can see the lower we get, the more the zeros what reduces, right? Now let's continue. The next value is the value of 1 again is 100,000. Okay? The value of 6 is 60,000. The value of 4 is 4,000. The value of 8 is 800. The value of 3 is 30. And the value of 2 is 2. The value of 2 is 2. You can see how we've been able to successfully expand the numbers we have in millions. In trillions. So now I'm going to write this answer following the expanded form in words. Now let's write this number in words. So this becomes 11. Okay, let's write the numbers out first. Now this becomes 11 what? 11 trillion 500 91 591 what? Billion. And always separate your numbers in words with what? A comma, according to how it is written in numbers with the, which is separated by comma. 591 billion 171 million. Then the next one, moving to thousand, right? 164,000. Then the last set is what? 832. Can you see how easy that was? Very easy. So now we're going to have some examples to back up what we've learned so far. Now let's continue with some examples. Examples. Find the place of 9 in the digits below. Alright, so number 1, we have number 2, number 3, we have alright. Good. Now we have to find the place of the digits 9 in the digits below. Right? So solution. Number 1, we have 8, 6, 9, 3, 2, 5, 4, 7, 6. Now we're going to separate these digits with what? A comma. By counting 3 numbers, with a comma, 1, 2, 3, and we have this. So now, from what we have in the chart, this part is what? The hundreds. This second part is what? The thousands. And this last part is what? The millions. So if we are to look for the place of 9 in this question, what would it be? This would be what? 9 millions. The place of 9 is million. Is what? Millions. Now, question 2 says 93014867214. We want to find the place of 9 in these digits. What do we do first? Separate our numbers with comma. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now this first set of numbers falls under the hundreds place. The next set is what? Thousands. The third set, millions, and the last set is the billions. Now to find the place of 9 here, this should be what? And this 9 here falls under which part of it? The 10th place, right? So the place, we'll now say that the place of 9 is 10 million, sorry, is it million? Billions, sorry, 10 billions. 10 billions. Okay, and that is that for question 1 and 2. Now question 3, we want to find the place of 9 in this digits. Question 3. So we have 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 4, 5, 0. We want to find the place of the digit 9 here. So we'll separate our numbers with commas first. Then we can now find this. Then here we'll have 767 what? This is hundred, thousands, million. So it is 767 million 892,450. So 92. So it falls under the tens place in the thousand place. So this becomes what? The place of 9 is tens, 10,000s. 10,000. Okay, so it's 9, 10, which is 90,000. So it is 10,000, and that's the final answer. We've come to the end of today's lesson. I hope with this explanation and the tips on how to solve questions on place and value will give you insight and clarity on how to answer questions like this. Alright, please do well to like the video, leave a comment, share, and do not forget to lastly subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.